Look at the colors on this platter. It's loaded with nutrition for your body. Remember, colors in your food represents nutrition and health. So let's tantalize your palate with this juicy Cobb salad. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we're going to make a wonderful Cobb salad. Yes, Cobb salad without the blue cheese. We're going to use feta cheese instead. But if you like blue cheese, go ahead, use blue cheese. So we're using feta, and we're also going to use red onions as opposed to cucumbers. So whichever you feel that you like, if you have cucumber, you want to use that instead, you can do so. And instead of just red cherry tomatoes, we're going to use a tricolor tomatoes. If you're used to watching us, then you know that I love to see color in food because it's vibrant and it's nutrient dense, which is important. Color represents nutrition. So we're going to go and tell you all the things that we have here, and then we'll get into our vitamin content. We have romaine lettuce, we have some turkey bacon. Now you can use regular bacon if that's what you have at home and that's what you choose. And as you all know, it's dear to my heart, bacon. But as you all also know, Ian cannot eat regular bacon because of his faith. He's Jewish, so we use turkey bacon.
Thank you.
And I love to see color again in food. So I have a marinated feta, and we have some boiled eggs, an avocado, some red onions that's sliced, and we have our chicken that's already cooked. Now, regarding our chicken, this is chicken breast. Now, a lot of people sometimes are a little hesitant with chicken breast because they think it tends to be dry, but which was with some chicken broth that we had, and we pretty much kind of like steamed it, and to get the color, we just opened it up the last 5 to 7 minutes of cooking time so you can get the color. And this is my 21 herb and spice seasoning blend that I created. So you can use whatever seasoning blend that you have at home or whatever is to your liking. Ian and I are cutting our tomatoes and eggs. I'm cutting my eggs into fourths, and Ian is cutting his tomatoes in half. So we can put on our Cobb salad.
Yes, Mama. I love the color of these tomatoes too. Like you.
Aren't they beautiful, Ian?
They're actually real nice.
And once I do that, then I will cut my chicken as well into slices. Well, I'm cutting my chicken into slices now. And the chicken is very moist.
Yes, it is.
And absolutely delicious. And our breasts are really small. This is an organic chicken. And so it's what should be the standard size breast with no hormones in it. So one piece is like this small, but it's good for you. So that's why we have 6 small ones, and you can use 6 large ones to make your salad, depending the size of your salad as well. So we are gonna go here and truck along and just cut our breast up for our Cobb salad. And then Ian is going to make his dressing for the salad. So he's going to show you how to put that together, and we're going to put it in our blend jet.
We're going to start with the oil first. With the wine. Okay. Put in some mustard. Okay. Oh yes, of course. Beautiful honey. Some garlic. I'm gonna hit it, Mom. See what happens. Oh yeah.
Quiet.
Yes, I like this little blend jet.
Well, now we're going to cut our avocado with our nice faux serrated blade. See, that's getting cut here. And if you notice, I've already kind of started assembling my salad. This was my design. Beauty about making any type of food, whether it's salad or it's creativity. I'm challenging you to explore your creativity. So this is the way I assembled my Cobb salad on a platter. You could do it in a bowl. You could do it however you like. But this is the way I put it. And I just have right now my chicken, my cherry tomatoes, my turkey bacon, my feta, and my red onions. And of course the romaine as the bed, as the base for the salad. And I will put my eggs and my avocado. Listen, if you get an avocado that's not looking beautifully inside, there's so many things you can do with it. You can put it in your smoothie. You can put it as a hair mask. There's so many things. Don't throw it out. So now what you're gonna do is cut your avocado in half. It's just easier to peel it when you have it this way.
We did not miss seasoning our juicy Cobb salad. This is not your bland, typical Cobb salad. Look, look, look at the speckles of seasoning in every ingredient in the salad. Flavor City. The chicken is moist and juicy. The turkey bacon has its natural profile with a hint of smokiness. Even the feta cheese stepped up its game with flavor and its natural tanginess. No more boring blue cheese in this salad.
Well, look at our Cobb salad.
Mm-hmm.
This is the way that I decorated it with Ian. You are free. Oh, again, creativity. You could decorate your Cobb salad straight in a row, or you can do it this way, or you can do however way you please. Ian did our dressing, which we're going to just pour over. Just kind of drizzle it over. Okay.
Wow.
Now we have
delicious.
our dressing, and we are going to plate and eat. And I just put a little bit of salt and black pepper on top of our eggs because, of course, it didn't have any flavor, any seasoning. So,
Bon appetit.
bon appetit.
Yes.
Okay, so let us taste. Oh, look at these beautiful yellow tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I just love the vibrancy of these colors.
Love it.
The salad dressing is just divine. I mean, it's not heavy. I know people might think that because of the olive oil, but it is just absolutely divine. All the vibrant colors here are enticing, obviously, to the eye and to the palate, and just tantalizing to our palates. The chicken is seasoned perfectly. It's just a flavor combustion kind of just going on in your mouth. Whew, it is absolutely delicious.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow. Come quench your thirst with some refreshing mango pineapple green tea that's infused with some pineapple chunks. Our tea is 100% natural, no added sugar. The only sweetness in here is released from the natural flavors of the pineapple.